In less than 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 tools that nobody is using that is going to help you make more money with the Amazon Influence Program. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sven Peterson. I've been doing the Influence Program for the last 3 years. I've done over 6 figures, and my goal is to help you make more while doing less. And today we've got 3 hacks that nobody is talking about, and I'm telling you they are absolute game changers. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. Let's jump in my screen and show you the first thing that every single influencer needs to be doing. And again, nobody is talking about this. It's called Creator Connections. This is one of the easiest ways to make an extra 100, even an extra 1,000 or 2 every single month with literally just copy and pasting. So what you're going to do is you're going to download what's called the Viral View Chrome extension. I'll put the link in the description. You guys will get 10% off for life. So it'll run you about $70 a month. And I'm telling you, the time and the money that you're going to make, it's going to pay for itself over and over again. But you have this little shortcut tab where you can go to all the different things. But right here, you're going to click on Creator Connections, and it's going to take you to this page. Creator Connections is literally a gold mine. And Creator Connections, in a nutshell, are brands create campaigns that give you increased commission percentages. And so right here, you'll see that this brand is giving me an additional 16% commission rate from this date to this date. And all I need to do is accept, and then I submit the videos, which I'm going to show you. So instead of you making 2 to 4% for every single sale that you drive, you're going to be making 15, 20, 30% plus, which is, again, just free money. So what you're going to do is you come to Creator Connections, and there's literally 106,000 campaigns. But right here, you're going to see that Amazon recommends this. And the reason being is I already have videos for this product. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit accept. From there, once I accept it, I'm going to come over here to the accepted campaigns, and I'm going to come right here to accepted. I'm going to see the one that I just accepted. It says content not yet submitted. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to scroll down, and you're going to see, look at all of these products. But it's like, okay, what videos have I made for these products? Before, you had to manually find those videos, but now with Viral View, you're going to see that the videos just populate right here. So now what I need to do is I just copy this, I hit paste. I select the content type, video, submit. Copy this, hit paste, and submit. And just like that, I just submitted those 2 videos to this campaign. And for every sale that I drive from this, I'm going to be making 16% instead of 2%. So literally a click of a few buttons, boom. And Viral View literally made this 10 times easier. I'll put a link in the description where I actually go through a ton of details and a little bit more in depth with Creator Connections. But that is kind of the basic overview of, you got to accept the campaign. So again, you'll come over here to new opportunities right here where they're recommended. You're going to accept those campaigns. And then from there, you're going to copy and paste those links that Viral View provides. And just like that, you're going to get those increased commission rates of 15, 20, 30%. Also, just a little side note, you guys can come right here and open up what's called Product View. And from here, it will actually open up all of the products to the campaigns. And then from here, you can find the best products that you can collaborate with the brand. You can actually buy the product, and you can see, okay, which ones have high revenue, which ones have high influencer video count. So which ones are too competitive or not. And then you can see the campaign commission. So you can make 10%, 20%, 30%. That's insane. And then you can come over here and you can see the budget. You can see the remaining budget. You can see how many creators have accepted the campaign. All of that is found right here in Product View. So again, the Viral View extension is an absolute game changer. It's going to really help you guys increase your commissions. Creator Connections is a sleeper. Take advantage of it. The second hack that's going to help you make more money is, again, leveraging Viral View's order history scanner. So this is the second tool. You'll come over here, log into your Amazon Prime account. You'll go to your orders tab, and from here, you can scan your entire Amazon order history. So you can go back as far as 5, 10, 15 years, however long you've been shopping on Amazon, and you can scan your order history. So right here, you can see I have 1,600 orders. From there, I pull up the Product View extension, and I can filter this out, and I can see which products I have not done videos for. So you can see right here, I have done a video for this, but I'm not ranked. But these ones, I have no videos for. And you can see that they are doing $25,000 per month. The total influencer count is extremely low. And that's just easy money that I'm leaving on the table. So instead of me just reviewing random products around my house and hoping that I make money, I can go find the best products where I know they have high revenue. The influencer competition is very low, And then I can start with those. I see a lot of influencers that do 50, 40, even 100 videos. And they're like, why am I not making any money with my commissions? And it's because you're reviewing products where if you come over here, if I sort this, you're reviewing products where there's 229 competitors, 223, 213, 200, 198. How are you as a new influencer going to compete with that? It's very, very difficult. So instead, you want to find the ones where literally you're competing against nobody. And again, this tool is going to allow you to do that. So you just come right here, scan your order history, and then from there you can find the products that you already have at your house. So you don't have to go purchase anything. You just review what you already own. And then from there, you can take it a step further. You can go to your mom's house, your dad's house, your brother's house, your sister's house, your friend's house, and you can log into your account or their account, download the Viral View extension on their computer and scan their order history, and boom, you can see what they have at their house. It's an absolute game changer. So that's the second thing that every single influencer needs to be doing. And just by doing this, I'm making an extra couple $100 every single month, literally with no extra effort other than just scanning products that I already own and reviewing them. So that's number two. The last one that I want to talk about to wrap things up is if you are going to be buying a product, buy the best one that has the most potential for the influencer program. This is very, very simple concept. It's kind of common sense, but a lot of influencers are not doing this. If you're already going to be spending money on a product, we might as well spend money on a product that has high potential. So this is a perfect example. I need to buy a bike for my boy. He is obsessed with bikes. And so I'm going to come right here to Amazon and I'm going to search bike for toddler. But instead of me just going and buying the first one that I see, I'm going to buy the one that I can make my money back on. And so I'm going to come right here, search for it, and then I pull up the product view extension. And from here, you can see like, okay, we've got the products, we've got the 30-day revenue, we've got the competition, the total influencer count. So right here, this bike that's doing $57,000 in revenue, there's one influencer video. That seems like a really good one to buy. And this one also, 29,000. There's no influencer videos, but there is what's called a merchant video. And just a little side note, you cannot be on top carousel unless there is a merchant video. So if there's not a merchant video, that is a bad sign. You can't be in top carousel. And so right here, these are products that I should be buying instead of the ones where if I sort this, that has 370 influencer videos. If I just went and bought the first one that I saw and I bought this, well, yeah, it's doing good revenue, but I'm competing against 370 other influencers. I'd rather come right here and compete against none. And these products are still doing $30,000, $57,000 per month. So Viral View is an absolute game changer when it comes to the influencer program. You can also see right here, so you can scroll and you can be like, okay, this one is decent, or I can come over here and be like, okay, this one's decent. You can just go and scroll and find the best product that you can buy to then review and potentially make your money back. Again, if you're already gonna be spending this money, might as well spend it on a product that has the most potential. So those are the 3 tips. They're going to help you make more. Nobody's talking about this, and it's because people are not leveraging tools like Viral View to help them think bigger, to work smarter, not harder, and find these massive opportunities, these massive holes in the market to help you make more. Anyways, I'll put the link in the description for Viral View. Again, 10% discount for life. I'm telling you, as you implement Creator Connections, Order History Scanner, buy products that you're already going to be buying, you will increase your commissions. And I know that for a fact because I've seen it. My brother's seen it. My family's done it. We have every single family member doing the influencer program, and it just flat out works. So again, I'll put the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one.